Thank God for another day, guys. Never feel Reggie's here, and I'm back with another YouTube video. And in this video, guys, I'm going to be doing a twist out on this hair. Now, this is not just any old regular twist out. This is a twist out specifically for Valentine's Day. So if you guys watch one of my last YouTube videos, you understand that I had my homegirl Brandy do hearts in my head. So right now, I got hearts in my head for Valentine's Day. Full 360 for you guys real quick. Check out that short. It went crazy. One of the funnest, I guess, hairstyles that I've done so far. It was a totally different thing. I haven't seen really anyone really do. But I got a whole new hairstyle that has never been seen before, guys. Check this out. So what we gonna do is, I got my aloe vera, my water, and my olive oil. You guys know I love to make my own type of products. I got YouTube videos on it showing my avocado, showing my aloe vera mixtures. So in this aloe vera mixture, I'm gonna use it on my hair. It's gonna be a simple tutorial. I'm gonna walk you through the steps first, and then I'm gonna show you exactly what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna take this, and I'm going to spritz it on my hair. And as I spritz it on my hair, I'm going to take my twist, and I'm going to unravel them, right? I may or may not separate them for real, because I do want to wear this style out for about at least 2 or 3 days. My twist styles aren't the best, but we're going to try it. Like I said, we're going to be creative. We're just going to go all natural and just try this out. So if you guys are with me, give me a like button, subscribe. Let me know how you think about it. I'm just trying to be an inspiration to somebody to let you know that, hey, we doing this thing this year. Let's go. Okay, here we go, guys. I'm gonna spritz the hair. Now, matter of fact, I'm gonna put it in my hand first. That'd be easier. Put it in my hand, then I can go down the twist. Okay. Oh yeah. And now we can unravel it. So what I'd like to do in the twist out, guys, just find like open it in the middle, and then just easily unravel. And at the ends, it should just unravel just like that. You should not see any type of like popping or breakage at your ends. If you're doing any like popping or breaking at your ends when you do your twist out, that means you are definitely not really doing the technique right. As you can see right here, look at that. That's how your hair should look. See how that looks all curly and all twisted out like? That's what a twist out looks like. So we're gonna do that around my whole head. And I'm probably gonna rock it just like this. I may or may not fluff it like I said. But like I said, this is a new thing for me. I don't normally do twist outs. But I'm super excited. So let's keep rocking, let's keep going. Keep it going. I'm gonna put it in my hand instead of my hair because it's easier to apply. First section in the front one more time. Squeeze that through. Oh yeah. Oh yeah, this is gonna turn out fire. Hold on now. Okay, hold on, Reggie, what you doing? Maybe not as great as I thought. Messed up the ends a little bit. Okay, we're gonna fix that though. I know how to do this. So anytime you at the ends, make sure you just easily detangle. Don't go crazy, don't start ripping your hair. Okay? Don't start ripping your hair. That's how your ends break. You know, I just made a hair video on hair breakage. Follow that video, like it, subscribe. Oh yeah, that's nice. Oh yeah. Oh yeah, that's nice. The reason why I decided to use aloe vera too, guys, is because aloe vera actually helps your hair, besides strengthening your hair, but it actually helps make your hair, I guess, elongated more. So when I'm using aloe vera on my twist outs, or my hair in general, I'm knowingly knowing in my head that my hair is going to be stretched out more. Because if you just use water, your hair is going to shrink. It's going to shrink automatically, off rip. But aloe vera, the aloe vera plant, and if you want to know where to get aloe vera from, if you guys have like a Publix, go to a Publix and pick up some aloe vera. They sell them for about $3.50. $3.49, I believe I got it for actually. and get you an aloe vera plant. So like I said, we can go in one more time. See if you guys can see that. Find you an opening. Find you an opening. I'm normally look for the middle and easily unravel, slowly. You know what I'm saying? If it feels like that's not the spot, hey, go back. Go back. You know what I'm saying? Take your time. If this is the first time you're doing, the twist out, take your time, guys. Do not rush, okay? You know what I'm saying? It don't have to be perfect. Nobody's perfect, but whenever we're doing our hair, there is a saying, the way you wear your hair is the way you feel. And I always feel good. And I always want to feel good. I want to be happy every day. And I want like-minded people around me every day that feel happy about their hair. Because the reason why I make these videos aren't just because I want to do my hair. It's because I'm here to inspire people that you, too, can grow your hair. So we're going to go in one more time, looking through the side mirror. Oh, yeah. Let's see if we can do this. Hopefully I'm picking this up. Boom, just like that, unravel. Woo, crazy. Look at that. Look at that. Get that light on there. Look at that. That's nice. Oh yeah, crazy. Now, we can keep going the whole head. Got the aloe vera, water, olive oil mixture. Next twist. Find your section. Split. Oh. This one's a little rough. I messed this one up just a little bit, but take your time. Take your time. See, it's full frizzy. It's okay. Smooth it out. So like smooth it out. Go to the ends now. Go to your ends. Split gently. Boom, just like that. You ain't gotta worry about it. It's okay. Nothing perfect. All knowledge, lessons. Boom. Come on now. That actually might be pretty good, honestly. Whew. Going crazy. And this is raw footage, unedited, uncut. One more time. Just like that. Oh yeah. Boom. Oh, by the way, I didn't explain. These are rubber bands right here at the end. So Brandy put some rubber bands on my hair. So these rubber bands help, obviously, because I have my hair is braided at the top. You know, so braided, twist out. Come on. Talk to them. Shout out to Tay. She said I should do this style. I've been thinking about it for a couple weeks ago. We're going crazy this year. Y'all stay tuned for more. I want to put y'all on to some stuff. But like I said, this twist out is very easy to do. Just make sure when you're doing your twist out, you take your time. Everything comes at a steady pace. Whenever you're doing your twist out, always find your opening for your hair first. So, heading to the back now. I can't see. Can't see the back of my head, right? But even if I can't see the back of my head, I know all I gotta do is guide my hand down. What's a good opening, Reggie? Okay. I'm gonna see about right here. Okay. But right here in the middle, I'm just gonna pick something. Gently pull. Gently. Guide my hand down. Gently. Now I got a little tug right here at the end. See, y'all see that? I got a little knot. It's okay though. What we're gonna do is take our hair, gently pull the ends apart, gently. Remember, your hair grows at your root, but your hair breaks at the ends. Gently, boom, gently. Oh yeah. Braided twist out going crazy. Oh yeah. Come on now. Legendary. Another thing about aloe vera that I do really like is the fact that even if I was to totally bomb this twist out and mess it up, the fact that I'm using aloe vera, guys, it helps with the frizz. So let's just say this twist out came out terrible, which is not going to. It was really impossible. God led me to this video. He makes no mistakes. Let's just say this somehow was to be bad, which is not. Aloe vera stops or helps your frizz. I had to find the correct term, but just take my word from it. Obviously, you can see from the video, I'm not lying. If you want hard on facts, we can do some in-depth videos. I'm down. You know, knowledge and wisdom. Let's get it. I'm here to show people, man. You can grow your hair, people. You can grow your hair. I'm gonna take some pictures and show y'all. You can grow your hair. I'm 25 right now. Been growing my hair. I grew my hair out twice. Not this long. I'm at about 4 years now. My natural hair journey. All right, at the ends, one more time. See that little knot? That's what we call a fairy knot. Gently, people. Separate. Hope I'm getting this. Gently separate. Gently. 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 Okay? Gently. Boom. 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 Okay? We're not ripping our ends. You know why we're not ripping our ends? Going back to the beginning. We do not rip our ends because we do not want our hair to break. Hair breakage equals no length retention. You want to retain all your length. Every drop, every end, everything. Your hair is your crown, people. Rep your crown. It's like repping your city. If you say, I'm from Philly, I expect you to rep Philly. If you say I'm from the A, rep the A. What you mean? You know what I'm saying? Be you. You know what I'm saying? We Georgia over here. You know what I'm saying? Do you? What you got? We getting these videos out to the masses. I want to teach people out their hair. I want to give back to the community. This is what my calling is. My calling is to help young black men and women, all ages. You know what I'm saying? I don't care if you're in your 70s. You know, God willing, you're in great health. That one was smooth. God willing, you're in great health. You still can get the knowledge to grow your hair. You know, I get people all the time asking me how I grow my hair. I'm telling you, I'm going to give out the game. The game is free anyway. But it's easy to find when you know, someone's really teaching you. You know, and I'm going to teach you guys exactly how to do it. I really can't get in the back of my head. I know a lot of the time just giving out free game, you guys can't see the back of my head. But understand that I am doing my hair in the back, as you can see, and it's coming back. And I'm going to do a full 360 to show you guys at the end anyway, because you guys are going to need to see that. Man, this thing's coming good. I'm so proud of this moment, guys. I've been thinking about doing this for like a week and a half, 2 weeks now. I'm not using a lot, by the way. You don't need a lot of aloe vera and water. You don't have to use the whole thing. And if you guys, I could use it on my scalp. Like I said, if you look at my head, like right around here, I do have a little acne, but I do have a little bit of a frizz on my head. However, and I'm looking right here because I got a mirror. However, if I use my mixture that I just made on my head, it will help with that frizz for sure. So that's it, guys. Look at that right there. I'm gonna see. I got this light right here, raw and uncut footage. Come on now. Come on now. Let's get it. Oh, I got one more. I got one more. I think I got one more. No. No, I don't. I'm lying. That's two. I think that's all of them. Yeah, that's all of them. Let's do 360. You guys can see that. Hope you guys can see that. Get low. Really trying to show you guys. These the hearts in my head, by the way. You guys can see that. Shout out Brandy Braids. Fire hairstyle. Shout out Tay. Picking the style. Big shout out to God helping make this video. This is it, guys. This is the new hairstyle we rocking today. I'm gonna put some pictures up on IG. Follow your boy on all social media platforms, ReggieUncut. Links will be in the description. This is raw uncut footage. I'm proud to say we made a new hairstyle. I've never seen this done. Let's keep it rolling and keep it going. Like I said, never fear, Reggie's here, guys. We're gonna get these videos out to the masses in due time. Much love, peace and love. Peace.